friends, it's Dr. Sona here. So Facebook live, and I'm also going Instagram live. So I hope my friends are all here with me. So a lot of queries also have come in. I'll be taking that up today. So I join you, and I hope the quarantine period, the lockdown period is going fine. Days are progressing. People have got used to this lifestyle of staying at home and in lockdown since so many days. But their habits have changed a bit. Their thought processes have changed. Some have learned to cope up with the situation well enough, but some have gone into anxiety and are facing problems. So today, as you know, I take up this Facebook live of excuse me, just let me pick up my mic. Yeah, so I take up this Facebook live of going at 8 p.m. every evening, and we talk of the lessons which COVID-19 has come to teach us, and it has come to teach us many lessons. I feel I'm a changed person. I feel I'm a different person of the because of these series of these days which I've been at home, not in contact with people, not meeting people. So, and I'm sure all of y'all must be finding yourself to be a bit changed, or your mood swings or your behaviors change. So let's talk about that. So today what I want to pick up with you all is COVID-19 has come as a pandemic. It's come to devastate the whole world with its fury. Small tiny virus, and they say if you just calculate the weight, I was just reading, of all the virus all over the world, it amounts to about 1 gram. So just imagine 1 gram of virus causing such a lot of havoc. It's unthinkable. So what I want to tell you is COVID-19 virus, it's a respiratory virus. It causes infections. I take these 2 minutes to just refresh your memory about what it is all about. We inhale the droplets coming out from a person's sneeze, or from a person's cough, or from a person's talk, because it's a respiratory virus. So those droplets are in the air. So these are inhaled by us, or they contaminate our fingers, or they fall on our hair or clothes as fomites, and we can spread them to other places wherever we go to. So it's a preventable disease. The respiratory infection, the infection by COVID-19, it's a preventable disease, and the preventive measures, as you all know, are wearing a mask, social distancing, so that our droplets do not travel to each other and we are not able to touch the contaminated other if they are so, wearing gloves, coughing or sneezing at the side of your elbow. So social distancing I've already mentioned, and of course washing your hands frequently, and whenever you come out, and washing all your groceries and keeping a clean hygiene. So it's a preventable disease, and with preventive measures we can move on. Friends, I want to tell you that today I want to talk to you about being positive and being confident and being happy. These are not synonyms, but they're all interrelated to each other. And of course, many issues do come up, because at the present moment, when a lot of people are having to stay at home with their relatives, with their family, and they have themselves and they have their thoughts to think about. So they are thinking of their future, which may be causing many of them a lot of anxiety. Because yes, times have changed, and of course there are going to be some differences in the future concerning jobs, concerning pay scales, salary cuts, concerning lesser opportunities, concerning many things will change in the outer world once we move out of this pandemic. But this lockdown period is a time which we all have to gear ourselves up, to be prepared to face whatever we have to face once we move on. So the first thing in this is that you have to accept your new reality. You can't say कि नहीं यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे तो सब वैसे ही होगा, देखा जाएगा. Don't postpone it. It's going to be different. Everything is going to be more online. People are going to distance themselves. Social distancing will be the new fashion. There'll be lesser parties, lesser gatherings, lesser jobs, lesser salaries. Everything may take a step down. So we have to face the new reality, and of course you have to accept it, and you have to make your modifications, and you have to change your working style. You have to change your working style today itself so that you're prepared for it in the future. Other than that, what I find is you have to, my topic is have a very positive outlook. What do you mean by have a positive outlook is that, take this as a period of, having the best time with your family, stay connected with your family, work, be happy, maintain a happy exterior, but be very calm and composed inside, because only a calm and composed person will be able to figure out what to do and what not to do. And of course, count on your friends and your people and stay connected with them. But like I told you yesterday in my talk, that being alone is also very positive. So when you're alone and you are with your thoughts and you're thinking positive about everything that may come further on in life, if you're positive about that, if you're happy with yourself, if you're calm inside, if you're in control of your feelings and your emotions, you're in control of the situation now, and you will be in control of this, and you're preparing yourself now to be in control of the situation later on. So be in control of your thoughts and maintain a calm interior. Your thought processes are very, very important at this point of time. Having said that, I also found out a few very important stress. A lot of people are asking me stress. I'll be taking up pathophysiology of stress. Hello everyone. I'm having some friends here. Dr. Uday is there. Subodhji is there. Hanif is there. Hello everyone. So welcome. So I'm here at 8 p.m. every day with a new COVID lesson, and today my COVID lesson is be positive and be confident and prepare yourself for a change, which is a reality, because there will be a change. So I'm on Facebook and I'm on my Instagram, so I'm seeing both of them all together, my followers both ways. So of course lots of people said, well, how to manage your stress. Now stress is a pathological phenomena. Stress is not good for you. Yes, they say a little bit of stress, use stress is motivating, that's another aspect. But as such, if you're stressed and anxious and depressed, you're demotivating yourself and you're not preparing yourself for the future. So having said that, try to manage it. If you are feeling anxious or uncertain or scared, or you're having that numb and dumb feeling inside, or घबराहट हो रही है and palpitations or sweating हो रही है, learn to manage your stress. And of course, how do you manage your stress? There are at present moment, of course, there are so many tips to manage yourself. Keep yourself occupied, find time for what you like to do, plan for your future. But the main problem of stress today is our thoughts of how we are going to meet the tomorrow. So plan out your expenses and cut down your unnecessary expenses. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा unnecessary expenditure के जाल में फंसे हुए थे. And of course हम लोग unnecessary traveling, unnecessary spending, hoarding, इन चीज़ों में लगे हुए थे. Cut them down, friends. Plan for a life which is going to be different. As I said, it's a reality, it's going to be different. So plan for a future where you will have lesser expenditure, manage your stress, improve your skills, think of positive things, of what all options you have which you can do if you're not able to do what you're doing today. Like you feel that no, like for instance, let me give you my example. I always give my example. I am into a lot of face-to-face counselings. I'm into a lot of workshops. I do a lot of travels and talks. I'm sure all that is going to cut down. I have to come down a step. So I have to gear myself up to be more smart enough to be online more often and do whatever I have to do with my online skills. So maybe I have not worked on it, I'll work on it now. So this is how this is thinking positive. Actually friends, thinking positive होता क्या है? Thinking positive कहते हैं मैम बहुत आसान है तो कहना think positive. Think positive is something like, what shall I tell you, like if you're in a very dark room और उस dark room में आपको एक रे ऑफ लाइट सनशाइन की अंदर आती है, तो आप उस रे ऑफ लाइट और सनशाइन पे फोकस करते हो, ना कि द डार्कनेस अराउंड. And you plan to think of ways to get more sunshine and light into your room. So thinking positive means thinking of whatever you have which will help you and improving on it. That is also उसका दूसरा word है कहने का, attitude of gratitude. You know, whatever you have, improve on that. And don't focus on your have-nots or what will happen or what will be lost. That is negative thinking again. So of course your thinking is very important, and of course, as I said, stay disciplined, because now if you are going to indiscipline yourself mentally, emotionally or physically, and you're going to sleep the whole day long and you're not going to be fresh and change your clothes or look good, like I spoke yesterday, that you have to look good for yourself. You don't have to look good. हमारा culture, हमारी संस्कृति तो ये बताती ना, अरे dress up or look good for others. You know, plan मतलब और लोगों के लिए अच्छे दिखना है, अच्छे लगना है. That's not needed. What is the need of, what you should do is, you should be happy with yourself first, was my talk yesterday. So dress up, wake up in time, exercise, do your routine work as you were doing previously also. Other than that, of course, you have to understand that आपकी basic activities सारी include होनी है, and you have to be a better person from what you are. So compare yourself to what you are and try to be a better person the next day. Having said that, friends, and if you're positive, you're going to be confident. So confidence, positive, happiness goes hand in hand. People say, ma'am, how do you know? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप स्ट्रेस में हो, कि आप स्ट्रेस फ्री हो? There's no parameter to, you know, there's not a thermometer कि stress है कि नहीं है. The thing is, it's your feelings. It's the negativity in your mind which tells you you're stressed. And in the opposite, if you are the opposite of it, you're not stressed. Means if you're calm, if you're composed, if you're happy, that means you're positive and you're not stressed. So there's nothing to worry about. Stress is leading to a lot of psychosomatic, somatoform and somatization disorders in people today. In the youth also, in children also, parents and in people. So ये सारी mental disorders हैं which are the cause of stress, and then which can lead on to greater mental disorders later on. You can be more mentally ill later on if you don't control your mental wellness now. Focus on your mental wellness is what I want to tell the people today. So what is my giveaway to the public? What am I doing? I am also in a lockdown here. I am not able to move about. I am not able to counsel my patients. But my giveaway is my way of giving, and giving is another way of being happy. So my way of giving is talking to you all, answering your queries. I have 2 or 3 helplines with the government, my NGO helpline and an helpline with another collaborative helpline, where I'm 24, it's been a very busy morning, where I'm 24/7 answering queries of people who are stressed. That is my giveaway. That is my daan, that is my karma. So you people, each one of us can do a good karma and contribute to the society. Don't just think of yourself, मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा, because मैं और मेरा is a lot of ego, and ego is again COVID-19 lessons. COVID-19 lessons. Ego is nothing. You are nothing. You have come from some. You are a, what shall I tell you? You are a speck on this universe. A minute. You're smaller than that virus also. So you're just no one on this earth. You come from some place, you're going to go away. Everyone is going away. It may sound very sad, it may sound very depressing, but that's the truth. So the longer you are with this truth, and the longer you realize कि मैं इस दुनिया में थोड़े समय के लिए आया हूँ in this body, and what can I give? What can I do? What have I left behind? What are my footprints? Your footprints is the karma which you are doing. The positivity which you are spreading, the happiness which you are spreading around. इफ़ योर चिल्ड्रन आर हैप्पी, अगर आपकी फैमिली हैप्पी है, आपके चिल्ड्रन हैप्पी है, आप अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने आस पड़ोस नेबर्स के लिए, इफ़ यू आर स्प्रेडिंग अ हैप्पी एनवायरमेंट, दैट इज गुड इनफ. देयर आर थ्री थिंग्स पीपल विच वी शुड फोकस ऑन. थ्री थिंग्स जो हमारी लाइफ को एनगल्फ करते हैं. आई, माई वर्क एंड माई फैमिली. आई, माई वर्क एंड माई फैमिली. अप टिल नाउ अगर आप अपने आप से पूछो कि आप किस चीज पे फोकस कर रहे थे, सो इट वॉज ऑलवेज वर्क 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 वर्क. आई हैव टू अचीव अचीव अचीव. मनी मनी मनी. फेम फेम फेम. नेम नेम नेम. वॉट एवर फॉर. Whatever for. If you're don't do that. Nobody is saying do it, not do it. But if you're stressed and you're unhappy and you're maladaptive coping, if you're taking alcohol and smoking and then trying to achieve and then yelling in your family and frustrated at home and making everyone unhappy but achieving a lot of money and name and fame, what is the use? That is a life not lived. That is a life not worth living. So मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप लाइफ को लिव हैप्पीली करना चाहते हो तो आप स्ट्रेस फ्री हो. सो ये जो 3 पैरामीटर्स मैंने आपके बताए, वर्क जो था, लेट दैट इज नॉट द रियलिटी. लेट दैट गो नाउ. चेंज योर सेल्फ. द रियलिटी इज materialistic thing, work are important, but more important than that, and my family is also very important, but more important than that is what I spoke about yesterday, about myself, my happiness, alone, being alone with myself, my power of myself, my life. If I am a happy, contented person, satisfied person, I will radiate that outside to people around me, and automatically people मेरे जो संपर्क में आएंगे, coming into contact with me, are going to be happy people, are going to be satisfied. They'll come to you for they'll come to you for answers. But how can, and stress is contagious. So if you're stressed and angry, it's just going to go to the other person. At the same time, happiness, calmness, a very composed nature is also contagious. It also spreads to the other person. तभी जिस घर में पेरेंट्स शांत हैं, जिस घर में पेरेंट्स composed हैं, they are not angry or aggressive, or they are not drinking or smoking or into drugs, they'll have the children of the same type, except for some exceptions which may have some other reasons. So it's contagious. So what you do, just spread. So spread goodness. So to spread goodness, happiness, positivity is a part of you. You don't have to get it from outside. Let it be very clear in this COVID lessons कि हैप्पीनेस आपके अंदर है. आज आप घर के अंदर है, कुछ अचीव नहीं कर रहे हैं, घर में बैठे हैं, यू आर विद योर फैमिली एंड यू आर स्टिल हैप्पी. मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर. आई एम. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स इन मी. आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इट that it's in me, it's a part of me, and if I indulge into something which is already in me, it will come out more. But if I look for it outside and it's not there, it's not in your materialistic thing, you'll never find it there. So try to be a happy person. That is positivity. Looking for something, looking for sunshine in your life is positivity. So some other points, just let me enumerate a few more points which I had noted down. So another very important thing is that look friends, जैसे हर coin का there are two sides of a coin. There are always two sides of a coin. So the negative life has two sides also, the negative and positive. तो हर aspect का positive होता है, and that positive, a glass is half full and half empty is the physical aspect of it. The deeper aspect of it is the positive of everything is the learning you get from it. कि आज मैंने इतनी गलत situation में इतना बुरा हुआ, इतना मेरे साथ मुझे बुरा लगा, or whatever, or something injustice has happened, but what have I gained from it? So I welcome Anjana ji is also with me. Welcome Anjana ji. And so Anjana ji says, I have come in this universe to embrace death. We should embrace life and death. At present, why should we embrace death, Anjana ji? At present, we are living. So embrace what you have. And death is a reality. It's not something which is happening with one person or with another person. It's the ultimate truth. So we'll think of it when it comes, and it will come. So we accept it. That is acceptance. Another way, another thing of life to stay positive is acceptance. Acceptance is not saying कि चलो जो हो रहा है ठीक हो रहा है, जो हो रहा है ठीक हो रहा है. That is not acceptance, friends. Acceptance means कि जो हो चुका है, जो हो चुका है, something which has gone by, something which is the past. It's in my videos, in the archives of my YouTube channel. Please go and look at that video. Acceptance is something which has just gone by. This moment which has just passed me, this moment has gone by. So there's no use talking about that. The only, you have to accept that moment because it's gone. And you have to be positive that what is happening is good and what will happen is good. That is being positive by accepting. But if you are talking of what has gone and being why it has happened and it should not have happened, you're not. You're again not being positive. You are, that is a defeatist attitude. So what I want to tell you is that acceptance of what has happened is important to stay positive. And to stay positive, you have to look at what life has taught you. आज मैंने इतने गलत सिचुएशन से इतना बुरा हुआ, मैंने सीखा क्या? What did I learn today? Today, let us seek the worst of the worst. Today, I lost a patient, or I'm a doctor, so I just talk of patients, or I spoke rudely to a patient. So whatever it is, what has been done has gone by. So no use. Why did I do it? I should have done this. It will never come back again. That is worry. Worry is thinking of something that has happened on and off. It will never come back. You're just wasting your energy. So what has to be done is you have to accept that which has happened and say, okay, next time such a situation comes, I'll do it differently. And think of that different way you'll do it. So staying positive is being accepting and staying positive and being grateful for what you have, even being grateful to the negative things in your life, because negativity comes to teach you a lesson, and that lesson is positivity. So this is very important, deep hai, but it's very important. So environment apna positive banaiye to be happy, and I've told you that you are the crux of your environment. So if you're happy, automatically your family is going to be happy, friends around you are going to be happy, and when you're working, you're going to work much better because people around you are happy with you. So be a people happy making person. Don't be a work oriented achiever or perfectionist. Listen friends, let me tell you, अगर आप perfection के पीछे भागोगे ना तो हमेशा दुखी रहोगे, क्योंकि perfection मिलती नहीं है. Nobody is perfect. We are human beings. We are imperfect. Only God is perfect. And we are trying to be like God. We can't become God. So perfection के पीछे मत भागो, but do your best. But keep doing. Don't procrastinate. I have been so busy. I wanted to do these videos, but we are all human at the end of the day. I said, let me make a better one. Let me make a better video. Let me take up a better topic. And I procrastinated it for so many days. And then I said, no way. I have to start. So do it. And do it. And when you're doing something, start doing it. You can gradually improve on it and you will improve on it. So that is being positive. So that is why in these COVID lessons, plan your future, start doing whatever you're planning, make your plans and your work schedules or whatever you're doing in whichever field you are, and of course it's going to work wonders. Let me tell you, there's nothing to worry. Maybe we'll have to cut down our expenses a bit. We'll live a more natural life. Na? Why are we running around competing with each other's Mercedes and Benz cars? At the end of the day, it's the destination and you reach that place safely which matters. Like people say, कि don't look at the cars, look at the people who are in the car. जो उस कार में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं वो कितने खुश हैं या दुखी हैं, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है, नॉट द मॉडल ऑफ योर कार. सिमिलरली आप कितने खुश या दुखी हो, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट as a human being, not what you're wearing or in which big house you're living or whatever, how many lakhs and crores you have in the bank. They'll all be left behind. You've seen the people who've just left behind crores and gone. Nothing, nobody takes that with them. But it's just what you have given back to the society, how happy you have lived your life, whatever time you've come for. Another thing I want to take up with you is, I put it on my Facebook today, I shared it with Anjana ji also, that we don't know how long we live. Nobody knows that. We try to live a healthy, happy life. It's our duty to live a healthy, happy life. But at the end of the day, कितना जीना है ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. एक डॉक्टर भी जब ऑपरेशन या ट्रीटमेंट करता है तो वो डॉक्टर भी कहता है कि आई हैव डन माई बेस्ट, द रेस्ट आई लीव टू गॉड. वी गिव आवर एग्जाम्स, वी से वी हैव डन आवर बेस्ट. जब रिजल्ट आएगा तब देखेंगे. गीता कहती है कर्म कर, फल की इच्छा मत कर. तो जो आपके हाथ में है वो करिए, कर्म करते जाइए, फल और बिलीफ सिस्टम पॉजिटिव रखिए कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा, और जो होता जाता है उसको एक्सेप्ट करिए. दिस इज बीइंग पॉजिटिव. ट्रेजर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, लाइक आई सेड, अपनी लर्निंग्स, अपनी एक्सपीरियंसेस. आप कहीं घूमने गए, किन लोगों के साथ गए, वो हैप्पी मेमोरीज चेरिश करिए. आप घर में हैं, आप किन बच्चों के साथ क्या खेले, क्या बोले, इन दिनों की मेमोरीज को चेरिश करिए. डोंट चेरिश द मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग कि इतना पैसा खो दिया या इतना गवा दिया या इतना कमा लेता. दैट योर पोजेशंस never don't matter, your experiences does. Be very helpful, be very kind, give. A giver is a positive person. You can only give if you have. आप तभी दोगे ना जब आपके पास होगा. I can only talk sense if I know sense. So I have to read and become sensible to talk. Similarly, आप दान दोगे, आप कुछ भी दोगे अगर होगा तो. So learn to give. A giver is always superior than a taker. And of course do a lot of अपनी एक्सरसाइज जरूर करिए. एंडोर्फिन्स रिलीज होते हैं. एंडोर्फिन्स आर द ऑपोजिट ऑफ दोस कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स जो स्ट्रेस में रिलीज होता है. सो एंडोर्फिन्स जैसे भी रिलीज हो विद लाफ्टर, हैप्पी मूवीज देखिए, हैप्पी पिक्चर्स देखिए, हैप्पी टॉक करिए, जोक्स करिए, एंडोर्फिन्स रिलीज करिए. दे आर स्ट्रेस बस्टर्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अपने माइंड को फोकस्ड रखिए. उसके लिए आपको मेडिटेशन आपको अच्छी लगती है, योगा, डू एवरीथिंग, कीप योर बॉडी इन शेप. आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्लिस कि आजकल हमारी मेड्स नहीं आ रही हैं. आई एम एक्टिव विद द हाउस होल्ड कोर्स, दैट इज माई एक्सरसाइज, एंड देन आई डू माई अदर वर्क्स. एंड ऑफकोर्स अपना शेड्यूल जरूर बनाइए, उसको हे वायर मत होने दीजिए. वर्क आउट एंड कीप टाइम टू स्टडी एंड टू वर्क एंड प्लान to what you want to do later on when this time passes. Have very 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 happy memories of the future. अपनी फ्यूचर मेमोरीज हैप्पी रखिए. डोंट थिंक क्या होगा, ऐसे हो गया तो वो हो गया तो. जो होगा अच्छा होगा, बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत ही बढ़िया होगा. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी गुड. और मैं ये काम करूँगा. एंड प्लान आउट दोज वर्क्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अपनी फीलिंग्स पे कंट्रोल करिए, बिकॉज दैट इज द ओनली थिंग यू कैन लेट योर फीलिंग्स कम, डोंट सप्रेस देम. इफ यू आर फीलिंग सैड, let feel sad, doesn't matter. It's okay to feel sad also, it's okay to feel angry also. Accept it. Of course Madhu is there. Hello Madhu. So accept your feelings, but work on them, try to change them, talk to yourself and try to change your feelings and become a better person. So don't acknowledge your feelings and say हाँ ठीक है, I'm feeling sad. sad तो feel करना ही है ना, ज़माना ही है, क्या है लाइफ में. don't acknowledge your sad feelings, talk to them and change them. And feelings are a product of your thoughts. So go a step ahead and change your thoughts. And if you are more deep into this, and you can learn cognitive behavior therapy from me, I'll be starting an online course on that very soon. So you can go a bit deeper to that and change your belief systems. And belief systems are what you are born with, the things you grow up with, what you got from your parents. We are what our parents have told us to be, but we can still change. So belief systems, and your belief systems are made mostly from the information you're gathering. So get in and put in good information, be happy, work towards a better and a brighter future. And of course from problems you move on to your solutions. Don't keep thinking ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, blah blah blah, हो गया हो गया हो गया, क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ, क्या करना है इस पे काम करो. That is being positive. So being positive, let me make it up. In short, accepting whatever has happened, being in the present and mindful कि अब क्या करना है, being healthy, sleeping well, 8 to 9 hours to restore your immune system and to restore the damage of the cells of the whole day long. 6 to 7 hours of night sleep, because hormones are different of day and night. So day sleep is not equal to night sleep. And of course, being in the now, as I said, mindful. From problems moving on to solutions, कि अब करना क्या है. एक आदत बना लो फ्रेंड्स कि बोलने की. इवन आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इट, मेरे में भी नहीं है, बट माई फैमिली हेल्प्स मी एंड वी आर हेल्पिंग ईच अदर टू मेक इट. दैट ठीक है, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, तो अब करना क्या है. दैट करना क्या है इज बीइंग इन द नाउ एंड इज पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. and that is confidence. So confidence बाहर से कैप्सूल खाने से नहीं आएगा. It is just with your positive thinking and talking to yourself and being your me time, being in the now, being in the present moment, accepting whatever has happened. Okay, हो गया, very good, taught me a lesson. Listening to what the lesson has been, think, oh yeah, ये सिखाया, अब अगली बार ये situation आएगी, so I won't do it that way. So let's be positive. COVID lesson, COVID has come, given you this time, this interval in your life. Cherish these memories, improve, come out as a changed person, because the reality outside will be changed. So be a changed person and be ready to accept that reality. Improve your skills and improve your immunity and your health, and stay tuned. So I'm Dr. Sona Kaushal Gupta. I'm a neuropsychologist. I'm based in Dehradun. I am a professor of biochemistry. I'm a doctor by profession and a psychologist by passion. And of course, I do a lot of counselings of stress, anxiety, depression. My number, my email ID is there. I'll put it in the comment box. You can message me your queries. I have got a lot many queries today, and I wanted to take them up, but then I have sort of overshot. But let me just take up one or two. They are saying ki ma'am, I don't know problems, and this is by Umesh. Yes, he is saying that ma'am, whenever these problems are coming into my life, he is a young boy of 22 years old, and he said that ma'am, whenever I have problems, they come as in a rush, they come as a storm. इतनी प्रॉब्लम आती मैम, एक के बाद एक आती है. I get confused, I just give up and I go to sleep. This is what youth do, and this they carry it on towards their future. They succumb to their problems. Don't do that. Build a habit in your children. If you're parents, do it for your children. If you're youth, do it on yourself. And if you're adults, you can still change, because change is permanent in life. We can all change whenever we want to change. Whenever there is a problem, write down those problems. Don't get empowered or overpowered by them. Problems are lifeless things. They are situations. But you are a person of life. You have life. You are much, much more powerful than your problems. So you can find solutions to those problems. And if there are too many of them coming, write them down. Give the priority to the problem and find a solution. Make a column and find a solution. If you can't find a solution, call us for help. People like us are there to help. We have these helpline numbers on, so call us for help and we'll be there to help you, right? So that is something I wanted to tell you, and you can send me your queries, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sona Kaushal Gupta, and please press the bell icon for more notifications. I'm coming up with these videos every day. They take me time to put them into YouTube, but gradually COVID lessons, I think it's the COVID lesson 11 today. So please see the previous ones. They are in the archives, and please join me again. Sunday is off. Otherwise, all weekdays 8 p.m. till the lockdown is there. COVID lessons. I'll be up with another lesson tomorrow. If you want anything special for me to talk about, you can put it there in the comment box. Please share this video so that many people can join us. And thank you, my Instagram friends and my Facebook friends and my Instagram followers. Thank you so much. Good night.